Hello children, welcome to the robotics section. Today we are going to learn the basic of electronics. First, what are wires? Can you see the coil of wires here? These are very basic things which help us to conduct electricity. I hope you remember the wire which we had trimmed in our class. Can you see the red color wire in a corner? That is, we have trimmed and there is a metallic string present inside it. So wires are basically having the plastic covering outside and metallic string inside it. The plastic covering of these wires help us to avoid shocks. Next is the batteries. These are the very common batteries. The first, Duracell, which you use at your home, in your TV remotes or clock. Second one, the blue color one, is a 9-volt battery which we always use for our project. And the third one is a coin cell. Do you remember children, we have used the coin cell and it has the two sides, the plus and minus. LED light. This LED light has 2 points. The longer point or the longer one is called the positive side of the LED and the shorter one is called the negative side of LED. Buttons. These buttons are called switch button and push button. First, switch button. This switch one is same like what you have at your home. If you want to on your fan, you just switch it on. Same here. So if you want to on this button, you have to press it on one side. It will become on. If you want to off it, press it on zero side. That is off. Next one is here the push button. These buttons, what happens to it? When you press it, it conducts the electricity. When you release this button, it stops conducting the electricity. It means push on and release off. Now simple circuit. What is a circuit? Circuit is a simple path or the closed path from which electricity flows. We are going to just learn about what is circuit, the simple circuit, the closed circuit and open circuit we will learn afterwards, the deep meaning. Now, the very simple circuit is which conducts the electricity in a closed path. What is closed now here? See, here the light is there, battery and this switch. They all are connected all together in a closed path. There is no opening. Now let's make one circuit to understand how it works. This is the LED which has one positive side and one negative side. Let's coil the wire on the positive side. I hope you remember how to coil the wires onto the LED as we have already learned to do it. Now next is we are going to attach the wire on the negative side. So we have to attach the wires on both the side, positive and negative side. Then we are attaching the button, the switch button on the positive side, wire side of the LED. It means our wire is connected to one side LED and one side the switch button. Now we are going to attach the battery, that is the coin cell. So another end of the wires, which is of the negative side, we are going to attach the battery. Now We are connecting both switch and the cell. Now we have created the closed path, means everything is connected all together, there is no opening. Remember children, your positive and negative side of the batteries and the LED is very important. When you are making the actual circuit, at that time you have to concentrate on positive and negative side of the cell. You can understand the positive and negative side of the cell by just looking onto it. On positive side there is a plus and behind one is the negative one. And LED I already explained you how to understand which is a positive and negative side. So when our circuit is closed and it is correct, then our light glows. See, can you see this switch button which is on? Means it is on 1. And now our LED is glowing. For actually this practical session is very different. How to attach the wires and all. I am going to share one more video with you all of practical materials. How to connect the LED with switch and the batteries. Just follow another video for the practical demonstration. Thank you.